Back on site with Mike Bosch at another one of our projects. This one happens to be in the community of Headon Forest in Burlington. A fantastic place to live, work, and play. I actually live in this exact community, so it's always interesting to be renovating the homes in this area. So let's head inside and have a look and see what we've done. Take you through the front office first. So we converted this space from a living room into a home office. Floors trimmed throughout, and we also did a bit of a wall treatment as well, just to give the room some character. When we started, the stairs were carpet grade, older round newel posts, traditional handrails. So everything was stripped from the stairs and replaced. So we capped the treads with solid oak treads, new risers and stringers, and then replaced all the pickets, and handrails, and then posts. And then we finish it off and do our best to match with the hardwood that goes in the home. We removed a load-bearing wall from here and also a dividing wall between the dining room and the existing kitchen to give it an open concept space. Bit of a change in the configuration of the fireplace. We installed a beam reclaimed from a barn with a flat screen above. Moving into the kitchen, we created a servery with a beverage fridge and then the entire kitchen. Custom cabinetry, got some inserts in some of the drawers, pullouts for spices, garbage pullouts, under sink storage. Pantries are a fantastic feature in a kitchen, but a pantry with a pullout is even better. A bit of a waterfall feature with the quartz countertops.